Did you know that quantum computing is set to revolutionize industries in ways we can barely comprehend today? If you think investing in technology is already complicated, wait until we dive into the world of quantum computing in 2025. Today, we're going to explore how this cutting-edge technology could transform everything from medicine to finance, and why now is the time to pay attention. So, what exactly is quantum computing? While traditional computers use bits, ones and zeros, the basic units of digital information, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits. These qubits have the unique ability to be in multiple states simultaneously due to a phenomenon called superposition. Think of it like being in two places at once. The result? Quantum computers can process astronomical amounts of data far more efficiently than classical computers ever could. Why does this matter for investors? Because quantum computers are not just faster, they're game-changing in their approach. Imagine solving equations that would take classical computers thousands of years to crack, or optimizing global logistics routes in mere seconds. In 2025, industries will reach a point where quantum computing will start to shift from theory to real-world applications. Companies who are currently early adopters of quantum technologies could see exponential growth. Let's talk business. Startups and major corporations alike are racing to dominate the quantum sphere. On one hand, you've got tech giants like IBM, Google, and Microsoft throwing billions into quantum research. These firms aren't just developing hardware, they're also creating ecosystems where businesses and governments can integrate quantum solutions seamlessly. On the other hand, startups like Rigetti Computing and IonQ focus on niche innovations, carving out their own space in this enormous market. So as 2025 approaches, an important question to ask is whether to bet on the pioneers or the stalwarts. But here's a reality check. It's expensive. The current cost of quantum hardware, infrastructure, and talent is sky high. Despite this, venture capital investments in quantum technologies rose by over 50% annually in the past few years. And while the risk remains high, so does the potential reward. In fact, according to reports, the quantum computing market is estimated to be valued at $5 billion by 2025 and could grow exponentially thereafter. Now let's zoom in on real-world applications likely to catch fire in 2025. Quantum computing could drastically improve drug discovery and genomics. Picture researchers unlocking cures to rare diseases or creating vaccines at unprecedented speeds. Biopharmaceutical giants are already exploring partnerships with quantum pioneers to make this a reality. Then there's the finance sector. Quantum algorithms can tackle complex problems like portfolio optimization, fraud detection, and even crafting new financial models. Banks and investment firms that adopt these quantum tools early will inevitably gain a competitive edge. Transportation and logistics is another sector ripe for transformation. Quantum computing has the potential to optimize routing, scheduling, and supply chain management on a global scale. It can cut down fuel costs, reduce delivery times, and even improve sustainability metrics. Imagine a future where your online order arrives faster because of quantum-calculated logistics. Cybersecurity will also see radical advances. Quantum computing could make current cryptographic security nearly obsolete, but could also help develop quantum-proof encryption methods. Startups focusing on this niche are guaranteed to attract attention and funding as governments and enterprises prioritize safe quantum-era data. Let's address the elephant in the room. Should you invest directly in quantum stocks or explore avenues like ETFs or venture funds? Quantum stocks fluctuate due to the technological challenges and delays these companies frequently encounter. On the flip side, emerging quantum ETFs are becoming a popular option for those who prefer diversified exposure. For higher risk takers, early-stage venture funds that back quantum startups might just provide unparalleled returns. But some of you might be non-traditional investors, right? Thanks to online platforms democratizing access to investment opportunities, you no longer need a six-figure portfolio to participate. Retail investors can now buy fractional shares in quantum firms or even get involved with equity crowdfunding. This opens up quantum computing to regular people, breaking the myth that only Wall Street elites can profit. And before you commit, let's not forget regulatory and ethical considerations. Quantum computing's disruptive nature has already caught the attention of regulatory bodies. Governments worldwide are setting up frameworks to leverage quantum technology for national security, while also ensuring fair market practices. Ethical considerations are also vital, particularly regarding data privacy, surveillance, and the possible weaponization of quantum tech. Staying informed about government policies will be crucial for anyone looking to invest in this space. But wait, what makes 2025 the golden year? Historically, technology evolves in cycles, and quantum computing is no exception. Major milestones like achieving quantum supremacy, where quantum machines outperform classical ones, have already been reached. Moving forward, significant advancements in hardware stability and software usability are expected to mature by 2025. In short, this is the year quantum computing might leap from experimental labs into practical, widespread applications. Does this mean everyone should start investing? Not so fast. Like any disruptive technology, quantum computing comes with its own set of risks. By 2025, it's not just about understanding the science. It's about picking the right bets. Companies that lead in intellectual property development, scalability, and problem-solving adaptability will likely emerge as winners. To minimize your risks, focus on businesses with diverse revenue streams and collaborations across industries. One final yet exciting takeaway: quantum computing isn't isolated from the broader tech ecosystem. It complements artificial intelligence, enhances blockchain capabilities, and seamlessly integrates with nanotechnology and biotechnology. Imagine the power of combining these fields, a level of innovation that could redefine human potential. So, in 2025, quantum computing won't just be speculation. It'll be a redefining moment for industries, investors, and humanity. Whether it's Moore's law running out of steam or global problems needing faster solutions, the world is ready for quantum. The only question left is, are you ready?